What's going on, everybody? Another 2 a.m. video. Just kind of finishing up what is the newer voice engine that's revamped with more settings, a lot more options, and error handling as opposed to the traditional voice engines that are on the market. And then also a lot of variability to make this thing seem a lot more human as far as the communication style and situational, right? So, like, even adding background noise, so it's not just a AI voice in the void talking to you on the phone or through one of the iFrames. It's you can kind of add busy noise in the background to make it seem a little bit more realistic if you're running like a sales strategy or a call center. Should help out with kind of keeping that interaction more organic. So this is one of the iFrames. So what you'll do is you'll deploy a voice assistant to this iFrame. You'll grab the iFrame, throw it on your GoHighLevel site, whatever, your WordPress site, wherever it is, and then this will link basically to the voice assistant that you created with all the settings. And so what this is going to do, it's going to look really nice and cool and futuristic and float on your website. And then when you click it, we'll be able to talk to a voice assistant here inside of the web browser with no information given, as kind of a no obligation trial, right? If someone's familiar with maybe the Parrot bot, kind of similar to that, a no obligation, try our stuff out, and then because these things are live with functions of appointment booking, pushing notes, creating contacts, things like that. It will collect information during the call to actually perform those actions later on, to be able to actually book the appointment from the web chat, again without taking any information written, only verbally. So let's give her a go.
Hey there, this is Haley from Assistable.ai, formerly known as Agent-Centric. Glad to have you test out our voice engine and iFrames. What kind of use case were you thinking of using AI for?
Traditional GoHighLevel agency where we run ads for our clients, and we'd like to do more follow-up.
That's awesome. AI can definitely help streamline your follow-up process. Just to understand better, how are you currently handling follow-up with leads?
Mostly workflows, and then we have some VAs that send out some manual messages for the stuff we can't automate.
I see. So you're already utilizing automation to some extent. That's a great start. AI can certainly take that to the next level and free up more time for your VAs to focus on other important tasks. Now, could you share a bit about the niche you serve?
Yeah, we mostly do roofing and solar, like high volume, high ticket industries.
That's fantastic. High volume industries like roofing and solar can definitely benefit from AI automation. It can help manage the volume and ensure no lead is left unattended. Now, would you be open to seeing what we can do for you and then make a decision? We can set up a call to discuss this in detail. How about we book a time for that?
Sure. What times do you have tomorrow?
Great. Tomorrow I have a slot at 10 a.m. and another one at 2 p.m., both in Eastern Time. Which one would suit you better?
Probably 2 p.m. I think.
Perfect. I've got you down for 2 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. You'll receive a calendar invite shortly. Looking forward to our conversation. Have a great day.
You too.
Assistant to functions end call.
Boom, easy enough. Need a little work, but yet another 2 3 a.m. Kind of build sesh. I think what we have here, even for kind of going into this, right, is pretty cool. Like, this would be a great lead magnet for the agencies, and then with some more variable iframes, this would be great for local businesses to capture leads, even in the browser. Again, without collecting the information, which is usually the biggest friction of leads actually converting, is if we can use technologies like this or use iframes like this, where we're able to collect the information on the back end, which this one didn't have the functions hooked up. This was more of a demo conversation, but if we're able to collect that information on the back end while kind of serving and answering questions here, the lead is more likely to convert after the education rather than giving contact information first with little trust. So I'm actually pretty excited about this one. So we'll have this one. We'll have one that you see like like the traditional chat widget that sits in the bottom right hand corner. That's more the idea of like click to call. And then we'll also have the written chat widgets with the tools and functions inside of those. So tons of cool stuff coming, but I thought I'd share this with the updated voice engine, with all of the new features and everything there. In fact, let's run in. Let me do this real quick. Let's run into my GoHighLevel so you can kind of see the updated version of what would then be, or what is now, right? Creating a voice assistant. So we'll go here, and then let's run into assistants. And so let's go into Haley. So you'll be able to see here a little UX UI change just to kind of show robustness of cost breakdown and latency to users that'll be kind of building and prompting this thing. You see we'll configure personality here. There's a couple advanced settings we can hit, like HIPAA compliance, call recording, silent timeout, response delay. A lot of variability here in the way that we can truly adjust how this thing will work. There'll also be a lot of stuff for voice in here too, so you'll be able to adjust a lot of the things with the voice. It'll be very cool and allow you to have that extra little bit of adjustment on your assistant, so your voice can be dialed in just like your written assistants. And then your prompt here, and then logs, and then you'll be able to purchase and import phone numbers over here. So if you already have an existing Twilio number, whether that's through HighLevel and you're able to get your Twilio information to import that number here to use for a voice assistant, or if you'd just like to purchase one through us for pretty much the same price as GoHighLevel to have for your inbounds and stuff like that, you'll be able to do that there as well. So just a little update over the voice assistants. I'm pretty excited. I think it fits a lot of the functionality that sits native with the chat assistants or written chat assistants, where multi-channel, multi-functions can do just about anything inside of HighLevel completely autonomously. The voice assistants are kind of hitting that level as well. So I'm really excited about it, and I'm happy to show everyone. I hope everyone is able to serve their clients much better with some of these tools that'll be coming out in the next day or so. So thank you so much.